was the first of our epic two-night Masked Singer Season 6 premiere.
That's Masked Singer Season 6, baby.
That was amazing! It's a double elimination right off the bat?
The first person eliminated was the Octopus, who was revealed to be the one and only Dwight Howard. The second person eliminated was Mother Nature. Now we continue with our unmasking from last night. Have you figured out who it is yet? We find out in 3, 2, 1.
Who is it?
Help her, Men in Black. Take it up.
Oh my gosh. Who can it be?
Superstar actress, producer, and director, Vivica A. Fox.
Oh my god, I had it written down on my sheet!
Hey, darling!
Yep, I knew I had.
How did you know?
I just know you. So how much fun did you have as Mother Nature?
Oh my gosh, this has been exhilarating. I challenged myself. You know, I've done so many things in my career, and I've never done anything like this before. I
And
mean,
you had fun.
decorations, and I had fun.
You was
I had
bopping
fun.
people, whack-a-mole.
Yeah. I want to say to the panel, like I said, you guys are all amazing. Keep making dreams come true and having a great time doing it, okay?
you're
I love you all.
awesome.
I love you all.
Love you,
Much
Vivica.
love back at you. Mwah.
Such a class act. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time. From Vivica A. Fox.
Yeah.
It's back to school night on The Masked Singer, and class starts now.